Your Apple Watch and iPhone often run out of juice at the same time. First, you have to look for chargers, and then you have to wait and wait. Now you can forget about this happening ever again. 3MK Protection has just created a solution so that you never go short of power. Meet the Hardy Charger PD 2-in-1. One fast charger for multiple devices. Especially for Apple devices, 3 power sources will keep you mobile at home, in the office, and on the move. The charger is compatible with Apple Watches and with smartphones of all brands. Can't wait to have full batteries? You don't have to. Your Apple Watch and iPhone will be charged all at once. At max capacity of 33, regain your power in no time. Are you wondering whether it's safe? Of course. With smart technologies such as Power Delivery, Quick Charge, and GN, the recharging process is not only fast, but also safe for the battery. Do you know how Power Delivery works? It's a technology that adapts the charging power to the actual demand of the devices, ensuring that they are charged quickly, but also safely. One more thing about the GN technology, or gallium nitride, is a modern semiconductor material. Chargers with this technology use less energy, work more reliably, and are smaller and lighter than their silicon counterparts. Choose the Hardy Charger PD 2-in-1. One solution for all charging needs.